So that's how I'm going to handle that market tomorrow. Now for the free video, if you look at this euro, we were in a box here and moved sideways, had reversal bars, etc., and then eventually dropped out of the bottom of the box, and now we've actually closed above the box. I don't suggest you buy this and swing trade it because the stop is too big compared with the risk reward ratio. I think 130 is going to be huge, and if we do get to 130 we are likely to at least wiggle around there, if not sell off. What I would suggest you might want to do is this one. This Aussie US is closed right above a key level of resistance now. If you could get a pullback to 1038.90 area with a stop 2 bars back, I think you've got scope to possibly get a bit of a runner here. It's a relatively close stop, but I think that could give you some profits. If we look at what happens today, just to give you a bit of action, a bit of insight to what happened today, we had this trend line on the pound coming right across these highs, and then this fib level here. So that through the whole euro session it was messy, very messy. Then as the Dow opened in the first half an hour, we saw a big push in the Dow. It took the dollar down with it, and so the dollar pairs benefited. And so for the rest of the US session we held this fib level and started to hold this trend line. So this pound is very strong, so it's a good idea just to mark your charts up, if you are a day trader, to mark your charts up so you can monitor where the key price action is. That was the key price action for yesterday. So one way of trading it would have simply been just to take a break of the box, or in the break of yesterday's highs even, and just sit there with a stop down there. But obviously you don't get much of a run from that, and your risk reward ratio is pretty poor. Another way of doing it is if you've got the trend line like this and it's sitting on the trend line, just buy any pullbacks, but keep your stop outside of this box. Okay, but that means you've got to hold it the rest of the session. So you take the trade in the euro session and you literally leave it there all day, and if you back test that, you'll see that a movement like this in the euro session does tend to have follow through in the US session. Okay, back test it and trade it if you think that fits your trade plan. Okay, hope that helps. One thing I wanted to alert you to is the Forex course that's coming up. I've run this Forex course for a while now, but this version I'm about to deliver is by far my best yet. I've worked a lot over the last 3 months to develop it. I've done a lot of study on the euro session, how that progresses into the US session, and where the best timing opportunities are, and it covers all aspects, no holes barred, and you will get an incredibly useful extensive checklist to keep you in profitable trades. Okay, so it's actually on the 25th, it's next week. I've only got 4 spaces left, so if you're interested then drop me a line, drop me an email, and I'll give you more information. Okay, hope that helps, and see you at the next update.